everyone, thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Bruni from Frozen 2. Well, I'm really excited. Also, if you haven't hit that subscribe button yet, go ahead and do so right now. Let's go try to draw Bruni and see what we can come up with. We're going to start by drawing Bruni's mouth. Inside of his mouth, we're going to draw a curved line for his tongue. Then we're going to start drawing Bruni's face. We're going to start by making his cheek with a curved line around the right side of his mouth. Then we're going to make another curved line coming up off of his cheek. We're going to draw a small straight line and then another curved line going around to the left side of his face. Next, we're going to draw his nose. And then we're going to draw two eyes, one right here and here. To finish his face, we're going to draw two small triangles coming off the top of his head in between his eyes. Now to start drawing his body, we're going to make his back and tail right here. Then we're going to draw his first leg right here. From his leg, we're going to draw a curved line for his stomach, and then we're going to make another one of his legs. After that, we're going to make his front leg right here. We're going to finish making his body. And now we're going to make his last foot right here. To finish drawing Bruni, we're going to add some detailed lines. We're going to draw one by his stomach, another one on his front leg, and then another one on his tail. After that, we're going to draw two small triangles on the top of his tail. Now lastly, we're going to draw one big triangle on the top of his back with a small one inside. This is how to draw Bruni from Frozen 2. Thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. Now come color him in with us.